Hey, promise for keeping secret. No problem, everything is alright. Strong, determined, and unemotional. Certainly the person is an intelligent. So, find yourself in new situation. Never look back as you're doing good. Wish you all the best. Good luck. Okay, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be sharing most interesting 10 idiomatic expression that you can use in your own English. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe on my channel to obtain upcoming all videos. So now, coming up. Why you are so angry? Be merciful. Show pity. Be merciful and show pity. Instead of saying show pity or be merciful, you can use a phrase here, and the phrase is have a heart. Have a heart. It means be merciful or show pity. Example in sentence. Don't be angry to the beggars. Be merciful. Show pity. Don't be angry. Be merciful. Show pity. Promise for keeping secret. Promise for keeping secret. Instead of saying something secret, you can use tell us all. Tell us all. It means promise for keeping secret. Example in sentence. I won't tell us all. Hey, don't tell us all. It means I promise I won't tell to anybody. Tell us all. Speaking English? Oh no! It's really complicated for somebody. Instead of saying complicated, you can use a phrase here, and the phrase is rocket science. It means difficult, complicated. Example in sentence. Speaking English is not a rocket science. It means speaking English is not difficult. Speaking English is not really complicated. One of my friends who is really popular and very successful in his small business, instead of saying someone's popular or successful, you can use a phrase here, and the phrase is off the chart. Example in sentence. My friend is really off the chart in his small business. It means my friend is very popular in his small business. My friend is very successful in his small business. Off the chart. Study hard. Study hard. Instead of saying study hard to someone or somebody, you can use a phrase here, and the phrase is hit the book. Hit the book. It means study hard. Example in sentence. Hey, my friends, read the book because our exam is knocking at the door. Read the book. Strong, determined, and unemotional. Instead of saying this word, you can use a phrase here, and the phrase is tough cookie. Tough cookie. It means someone who is really determined, someone who is strong, someone who is unemotional. For instance, one of my friends is a tough cookie to achieve his success. Basically, it means my friend is determined to get success. Be a tough cookie to use the phrases in your speaking so that your speaking should be really nice. As you are planning to study abroad, as you are going far away from me, find yourself in new situation. In terms of saying find yourself in new situation, you can use a phrase here, and the phrase is find your feet. It means find yourself in new situation. Hey, find your feet when you are going to study abroad. Somebody is really accustomed to flatter someone, to please someone. In this case, you can use a phrase here. The phrase is butter up. Butter up. It means flatter someone, to please someone. Example in sentence. Hey, why are you buttering up? You're looking gorgeous. Why are you buttering up? Don't butter up, okay? Someone is really doing good. Someone is really doing nice. Someone is getting success. In this case, we are accustomed to wish someone or somebody. We usually say, good luck, good job, wish you all the best. In this case, you can use a phrase here, and the phrase is break the leg. Break the leg. It means when someone is doing good and you are wishing him or her all the best. When you are wishing someone's best, you can use break a leg. Hello, my friend. Break a leg as you are doing good. Suddenly, you do so many things every single day. As you are an intelligent person. Instead of saying an intelligent person, you can use a phrase here, and the phrase is a smart cookie. A smart cookie. It means an intelligent person. Example in sentence. A smart cookie. My younger brother is a smart cookie as he is very successful in his study. Okay, that's all for most interesting 10 idiomatic expression I wish you could use these phrases in your own speaking to make your speaking more efficient, more dynamic, more unique. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe on my channel to get upcoming old videos. Have a happy learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.